The comprehensive Bosch range of starters and alternators includes not only a new parts program, but also the eXchange program, Bosch eXchange, the ideal solution for cost-effective maintenance in the workshop. For Bosch remanufacturing, used starters and alternators are retrieved from the market. The quality condition of the recovered starters and alternators is assessed in detail. The remanufacturing of starters and alternators is a good thing. Customers in the workshop receive first-class quality at a good price. The old parts are sorted by type, temporarily stored, and then taken to the dismantling area. Here, the starters and alternators are expertly disassembled into their component parts. You need to know exactly where and when to use a screwdriver, the hammer, and the mandrel so that you can properly disassemble the part without damaging it. During intensive cleaning, oil, grease, dirt, rust, and paint residues are all completely removed. The cleaned components are then carefully examined for their suitability. With Bosch remanufacturing, all the important components that are subject to wear are replaced by corresponding new parts in Bosch quality. Only components that successfully pass the dimensional and functional test can go into a Bosch eXchange product. After the component test comes the assembly process. This is carried out in accordance with the current original equipment standards. Each step is carefully defined and documented. This ensures consistently high quality throughout the entire process. In addition, technological progress realized on original parts is also incorporated into the series remanufacturing of Bosch eXchange products. During final testing, the starters and alternators must prove 100% functional and perform efficiently. Through our extensive repair and final testing of all starters and alternators, we ensure the high quality standards of Bosch eXchange. In addition, quality is strictly controlled via random individual tests. Conducted to original equipment standards, the tests simulate years of use in the vehicle and the many and varied loads that a part is subjected to. The results are premium products with 100% Bosch quality and the same warranty as for the new parts program.